my name is Jay. So lately my back has been hurting a lot while playing video games. As you can see, it's those gaming chairs that are really badass. Actually, I'll just show you. Kind of skipped ahead and already unboxed it, but basically comes with all that. And don't mind all that crap. There's a mess in here. That's the upright side. That's the actual ass end. The stand. Guessing that's the actual mount that you lay down and all that. Comes with an accessory box, SecretLab pillow for your lumbar support, and an assembly. Milo didn't like it. He was kind of like, had to get him out of the cage. But yeah, Milo, you like it? Unboxing wise, it's pretty straightforward. I know I said this was for lumbar support. It's actually a neck pillow. This channel is completely new. This is probably the first video. But basically, I streamed a lot back in the day. Probably like 2015, 14, around there. Streamed a lot with my buddies and all that. But got a new job, so I had to get out of it. I didn't really take it that far in YouTube because I didn't have a camera. And editing's not really that fun. If you like that stuff, hats off to you, because F that. So I'm gonna probably just time lapse the build and do editing later on. I'm gonna try and get back into it, get back into content creating. I wanna see where I can go with this. My wife as well wants to go ahead and try YouTube and Facebook Live actually, because of these beauty tutorials. Man, it's a mess. This is my old chair. It's covered in husky hair. Yeah, covered in husky hair. And it basically only leans back. Doesn't do much else. Can't really sit upright anymore on it. As you can see, it kind of leans back already. I am burping like a moose. Milo's bored. He wanted the ball. He wanted to play. Milo, you can't play right now. I gotta do this. Understand? Well, those toys can't play either. Damn it, boy. Go. Didn't go that far, but he still plays. I'm gonna try and get into it, do reviews, unboxing. My favorite thing in the world is tech and tech reviews. I'll see where it goes basically, but that's the gist of what I want to do. But yeah, let's get started on assembly. You know what? I'm not gonna lie. This color scheme's pretty sick. Milo, get off the shot. Go over there. Get out of the shot. Go over there. Or lay down. Lay down. Stay. I'm glad I picked this one. Stitchings. Damn it, Milo. As far as assembly wise goes, there's a little dog here. Anyway, it was quite easy actually. It didn't take more than about 20 or 30 minutes. Oh, I just noticed that. 2020. I didn't put the neck pillow there because I honestly think it looks dumb. It takes away from the aesthetic of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it without the neck pillow, but it does work for other things. As far as first impressions, it is pretty comfy. It's exactly what I wanted. I wanted to be more upright when I work or play games. Not like that piece of junk. It was horrible. Even if you were to sit up straight yourself, the backrest would be basically leaning when you're not. Fits comfy and everything. There's a lot of adjustable features that you can do on it to make your personal preference on how you feel comfortable. But in the end, I mean, it's pretty good. If you want a whole full review of it, let me know in the comments below. While you're commenting, you could also subscribe and follow. I also do Twitch. Schedule's a little iffy, but I do Twitch. Link will also be in the description down below. If you got this far into the video, thanks for watching. I know it was probably painful because everything was recorded on my iPhone as I do not have a camera yet. But hopefully you got something out of it. If not, go ahead and leave a dislike. Give me your comments and suggestions on what to do in the future. So yeah, see y'all later.